we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names, including Spanish names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations. So how is it said originally in Spanish, the original language for this name? Now, two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. In Spain, this is said as Muñoz, Muñoz. Now, the Z or the Z in Spain is pronounced like TH with your tongue between your teeth, Muñoz. Now, in South America and other Spanish-speaking countries, it is said as Muñoz, Muñoz with an S sound rather than a Z sound, Muñoz in Latin America or Muñoz in Spain. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names that many get wrong. You won't anymore after watching this. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.